Namaste, Bharat. Welcome to Monday Bytes from Chitrakas. This is DC Raghuwar, your friend for car. Today, it is the continuation of the previous video on what are the damages parts which happen while driving in rainy season and continuous usage and continuous maintenance is required, and especially in this rainy, because of this here the rains are very high, the precautions to be taken. The main cause which will happen to the car is there will be a lot of corrosion, rusting and corrosion to the underbody of the car, because it will be wet all through and the parts down are all iron. So with the mud, with the dirt, the underbody will get rusted and it weakens the chassis. The chassis will get weakened and brake liners will affect, and suspension damage, because the suspension all are drowned in the water with the dirt, with the mud. So this will get damaged. So precaution is make sure you regularly wash the car underbody and make sure that anti-rust proof and underbody covered coating is done for the car for preventing all these damages. Then windshield fogging. While you are driving in the rain, there is always chances the windshield get fogged because of the temperature out and temperature inside. So there will be a poor visibility and there is always chances of accidents. So this is again a phenomenal, regular phenomenal in the rainy season when there is heavy rain and the visibility goes and there are a lot of accidents happening. So for that, use deep fogger which is there in the car and keep the AC glass, keep the AC clean and the glass clean. If you can do this, you will save your car and as well as save the people in the car and the life, and your car will be good. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think Chitracars. Thank you.